students, welcome to my channel. In today's class, we are going to discuss distance of a point from a plane. We have a plane ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. It is the Cartesian form and the vector form is r dot n vector equal to d. A point is there x1, y1, z1. We are interested in finding the distance of a point from the plane. As we know, distance is always measured perpendicular. The formula I am discussing here, right? Derivations के लिए I have told I will be making a separate video. When we talk about vector form के बारे में बात करते हैं हम. The equation of plane is r dot n vector equal to d. Distance will be what? That d is a dot n. What is a? A is the position vector of the point minus d upon mod of n, right? Unit. When we talk about Cartesian form, it is ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. This is the equation of plane. Now distance, right? This distance means distance from a point. ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d upon under root a square plus b square plus c square. Distributing unit. Now sometimes it is called distance from horizon. A particular case we can see. Distance from horizon. If we are interested in finding the distance from horizon, then this point will be 0, 0, 0. Right? If this point is 0, 0, 0, x1 0, y1 0, z1 0, तो बचा क्या d upon under root a square plus b square plus c square mod में unit. Right? And in this formula we can say d upon mod n. Right? This is what? Distance from horizon in vector. Now the first question that we are having, find the distance of the point from the plane, right? Okay, so what we are going to write? We have a formula. The point will write a 2i plus j minus k, and plane is r dot I minus 2j plus 4k equal to 9. Right? What we are going to do, the formula for distance is a dot n minus d upon mod of n. So how we will be writing it, just pay attention here. In this plane, in place of r, put the point. Point is 2i plus j minus k. N will be same it is, and this 9 will be left hand side, minus 9 upon mod n. This is n. So what will be modulus of n? Under root I के कंपोनेंट का स्क्वायर प्लस j के कंपोनेंट का स्क्वायर प्लस k के कंपोनेंट का स्क्वायर. तो i के कोएफिशिएंट मल्टीप्लाई होंगे 2 into 1, j के 1 into minus 2, k के minus 1 into 4 minus 9 upon 16 plus 4 20 और 1 21. So it is 2 से 2 cancel. This is minus 4 minus 9 minus 13 upon under root 21. So we can say 13 upon root 21. Now next question we are having, prove that if a plane has intercept A, B and C is at a distance p units from horizon, then prove that 1 upon a square plus 1 upon b square plus 1 upon c square equal to 1 upon p square. Now I am drawing a plane. These are coordinate axis, x axis, y axis and z axis. अब x axis, y axis, z axis पे कुछ एक प्लेन इस तरीके से कट कर रहा है that its x intercept is a, y-intercept is B and z-intercept is C, right? So we need to prove this. Now what we are going to do first, we'll write the equation of plane in intercept form. So that will be x upon a plus y upon b plus z upon c equal to 1. This is equation number 1. Now distance formula will use distance of plane in equation number 1 from origin. Now we have already discussed distance from origin. What is the formula? Distance from origin, distance equal to d upon under root a square plus b square plus c square, right? What is d? In place of d we have, if I take it on the left hand side, we need to compare with ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. So here d is minus 1 upon under root. What is a? Coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is 1 upon a. So a square 1 upon b square 1 upon c square, that is equal to b. How I have written it? x के कोफिशिएंट का स्क्वायर, y के कोफिशिएंट का स्क्वायर, z के कोफिशिएंट का स्क्वायर. Now what we are going to do, we are squaring both side and mod के कारण ये -1 + 1 हो जाएगा. या फिर नेक्स्ट एक स्टेप ऐसे जितने रेसिप्रोकल करके reciprocal minus will be positive because of the modulus. Squaring both sides. So 1 upon p square equal to 1 upon a square plus 1 upon b square plus 1 upon c square, and this is the answer. Now next question, we have a variable plane which remains at a constant distance 3p from the origin and cut the coordinate axis at a, b and c. Show that the locus of centroid of the triangle that is here, इसका जो centroid का locus है, that will be x की power -2 plus y की power -2 plus z की power -2 equal to p की power -2. Now how will we solving this? देखो simple सी बात है. The plane is cutting the coordinate axis, means we'll use the intercept form of the plane. Then we'll use the distance formula because distance is given. Let's see how we are solving it. Also centroid formula will be using here. We have equation of plane. What is the equation of plane? X upon a plus y upon b plus z upon c equal to 1. This is equation number 1. Now we'll write the centroid formula. Centroid I have let alpha beta gamma. You can see in the diagram. Centroid is alpha beta gamma. What is the formula for centroid? x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 equal to x. y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3 equal to y. z1 plus z2 plus z3 by 3 equal to z. What is this? Is what? x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z2 x3 y3 z3. So x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 equal to what is x? This is what x y z. Alpha 0 plus b plus 0 by 3 equal to beta. 0 plus 0 plus c by 3 equal to gamma. So you can say a equal to 3 alpha, b equal to 3 beta, and c equal to 3 gamma. Now next thing is we'll write the formula, distance formula. You know, अभी तक बस आप you can see that we have this ABC and equation of plane. Now you tell me, if I want to write distance of plane from origin, distance of plane from origin, that is given as 3p. 3p दिया हुआ है ना हमें. So what is the formula for distance of plane? Under 1 upon, this is d upon under root a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 3p. So we can write it here that what is d in this equation is -1. अपॉन अंडर रूट ए, x का कोफिशिएंट a, y का b, z का c, a square 1 by b square 1 by c square equal to 3p. So what I can write it, taking reciprocal 1 upon a square plus 1 upon b square plus 1 upon c square equal to 3p is 1 upon 3p. Now squaring both sides, 1 upon a square plus 1 upon b square plus 1 upon c square equal to 1 upon 9p square. Now we need to find locus of centroid, means we'll be writing the answer in terms of centroid, that is alpha, beta, gamma. So I will be putting the value of a, b and c here. So putting a equal to 3 alpha, b equal to 3 beta, c equal to 3 gamma. So we have 1 upon 3p का square 9p square, 9 alpha square, sorry. b square is 9 beta square, 9 gamma square, 9p square. 1 upon alpha square plus 1 upon beta square plus 1 upon gamma square equal to 1 upon p square. And if I write it in reciprocal, alpha की power minus 2, beta की power minus 2, gamma की power minus 2 equal to p to the power minus 2. Now if I write locus of centroid, so locus of centroid of triangle ABC is alpha replaced by x, beta by y and gamma by z equal to p or minus 1. This is the answer. I hope these three questions are clear, right? By using the concept of distance formula, you can solve the remaining questions also. Thank you so much.